Are you having issues pairing your PS5 controller? Well, in this video I'll show you how to do a hard reset on your PS5 controller, and hopefully that'll fix any pairing issues that you have. Okay, so let's start by turning off the PS5 console, and if you have it connected via USB right now, just disconnect it. Now with the controller in hand, flip it over. Now you see that tiny little hole right next to the Sony logo? That's the hole you want. Not the one at the very bottom, that's the mic. So you want the one right here. Okay, so now that you found the hole, we're going to need to poke it with something. You could use a flat paper clip, or if you can find it, those SIM card eject tool that comes with every phone that you get. So yeah, if you have one of those lying around, you can use that. Okay, so now that you got your poking tool, we're gonna press and hold the PS5 controller reset button for at least 5 seconds. And that is pretty much it. Your controller should now be resetted. Resetted? Is that a word? Resetted. So go ahead now and try to pair your PS5 controller again. Connect the USB cable to the PS5 and press the PS5 button on the controller and you should be set. Hopefully it works out for you. And I'll also put a link for the PS5 support page so you can narrow down your issues with your controller or whatever. You could try that out. Hopefully that helps you as well. But that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Oh yes, jump kick. Totally forgot about that. Boom. That changes the game.